Dime tu verdad, porque yo no te estás sacando. Tú no sabes cómo estoy sufriendo, esto te lo tengo que decir. Cuéntame, tu despedida para mí fue dura. Será que te llevo a la luna y yo no supe hacerlo así. Te estaba buscando por la calle gritando, eso me está matando. Oh no, te estaba buscando por la calle gritando como un loco tomando. Es que yo sin ti.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce our group. Group 1. My name is Difkar Fatul Karim. Next, Damari Hakim. Next, Salman Afarisi. And then Ahmad Raska. And then Rangga Sandi Saputra. And then Hardi Anugrah. And then Randi Tresna Sejati. And the last one, Tegar Bumi Ramadan. Our group want to describe about SSD or solid state drive.
Identity SSD is a stored device with an integrated circuit designed to store data persistently. SSD device use flash memory and are useful as companion or secondary stored beside the hard disk. In general, SSD a new generation of store used for PC and laptop. Now SSD replace traditional mechanical hard disk with noticeably faster performance. Convert to order disk, SSD can improve computer performance due to low rate access and fast output.
SSD has similar functions and benefits to HDD. On SSD computers, it is used for data storage. SSD or solid state disk is a disk without moving components, so the response time is much shorter compared to HDD. Therefore, SSD offers faster speed, features up to 40 Mbit, 80 MB. It is simply, SSD is no stranger to USB flash drive or USB memory stick device. This electronic device is used to store data that can be carried anywhere by plugging it into the USB terminal of a laptop or computer. SSD is known as a flash drive or flash card, which is inserted into
On the other hand, SSD has features that are much more sophisticated than USB because it has a larger capacity as a companion to a computer hard disk. In conclusion, an SSD is an electronic device that functions as a data storage device composed of several ICs, integrated circuits for memory.
His faster performance in reading and writing data such as when booting the system, operation heavy program and transferring file. Number 2, the power consumption operated by SSD is more economical because the parts do not move, so there is less power to operate. The advantage is that you will get longer battery life. Number 3, does make noise. The display don't use telling this like an HDD. SSD will tend to be quieter when pushed. Number 4, more durable. SSD do not have certain moving parts. They can be more reliable and shock resistant than traditional hard disks. Apart from that, this interface is more resistant to accidental faults and is not susceptible to damage because the parts are safer. Number 5, easy to carry. SSD weigh less than hard disks are friendly to mobile devices, also makes laptop lighter and easier to carry. Number 6, minimal head in terms of SSD SSD motor is very minimal. Their SSD produce less heat unlike hard drives. This feature is very important for laptop users because it allows comfort when using the laptop for a long time.
Weakness of SSD. 1. Price. Compared to conventional hard drive, SSD are relatively more expensive. Number 2. Unable to recover data. The inability to recover or lost data is the biggest drawback of SSD. Data delete on these drivers is permanent. In terms of data security, it's a benefit, but there is an consequence are irreparable if you don't have backup. Number 3. Storage capacity. Unlike conventional SSD come at a high price. Thus most SSD are available in smaller storage size to make them affordable. Nonetheless, larger SSD size are also widely available. Number 4. Lifespan limitation. SSD are not accident prone, but they do have a lifespan limitation which is calculated in terabyte written or TBW. As it rewrites data, it will degrade until it reaches its TBW limit.
Or components that are most the file we rely on SSD device to manage the source as programming and data analysis. They goes in because of the ease of access and speed of file transfer. Games in the gaming very strong and large strong in net. Gaming computers will strength computing technology in loading and reading files, source and texture, maps, levers, textures continuous. The game's performance must be supported by relative and expensive. Strong mobility SSDs are used because they have low power and good battery life for laptops and tablets. In addition, SSD mobility is so persistent which minimize the possibility of data loss when the mobile device fails. Servers in the company require SSDs which are useful for accessing information and working data quickly to serve client PCs well. Look.
Conclusion: choosing a data storage device is a priority for computer users. With a storage device that has fast performance, it will be easier for users to manage data easily, safely and comfortably. SSD is considered to be an advanced version of data storage with a large capacity as a replacement for traditional hard disks. SSD are also composed of IC or integrated circuits that act as memory. In addition, this device moves with an electrical system that can certainly operate faster than HDD device, but both SSD and HDD have their own advantage for user. It all depends on your budget and needs. That a brief review from use about SSD storage media. Hopefully it can be helpful and useful for those of you who may be unclear about the above review. You can ask through the comment column below.
From Indonesia,
Identity USD.
hello everyone.
English.
my idola fan. This is seven.
Aduh, iya teh. Ah, tukang jogi kan sih. Malah dijum, Cok.
Mengidolakan dia kain dan si Salman. Tapi ya ini
Tiga satu menang dia. Karena wes langsung sih. First one, my name is Raska. Next, Randy. And next, kita melatih hakim.
All group farm, sport.
Thank you very much.